In this series of crunches, we'll start with pelvic tilts, followed by regular crunches, pulses, and some ankle taps. We'll repeat it 3 times total. Make your way down to the mat, feet out about hip width. Go ahead and lay down. You can always come closer to your heels if you need to. Go ahead and start with the head rested on the hands. Starting with our pelvic tilts, we're gonna rock, pressing the lower back into the ground. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 8 crunches. Stay up and pulse those hands. A few more. Now tap those ankles. 1, 2. Halfway. Back to pelvic tucks. Regular crunches. Stay up and pulse. Tap those ankles. Pelvic tuck. Regular crunches. Pulse those hands. Tap those ankles. Nice. Grab onto the back of those legs. Go ahead and rock up to seated. And you're all done.